Hello. I am Mike here. How are you? Listen to this video till end, because it can change your life forever. Today I want to tell you about WordPress, the largest free and open source content management system written in PHP and paired with a MySQL or MariaDB database. Features include a plugin architecture and a template system, referred to within WordPress as themes. If you want to start a website, fast and easy, go for WordPress. You can create a website in just 10 minutes using WordPress theme. In a nutshell, WordPress works as the engine under your website's hood. It allows it to run, lets you edit the content of the site, create new posts and pages, and then makes sure that your website displays correctly on all devices. Create a website in minutes using WordPress.com. Following are some of the WordPress features and add-ons. WordPress.com gives you everything you need to start your website today. Free hosting, your own domain, a world-class support team, and so much more. WordPress.com allows you to build a website that meets your unique needs. Start a blog, business site, portfolio, online store, or anything else you can imagine. Jetpack is a popular WordPress plugin created by Automatic, the people behind WordPress.com. The plugin brings many of the most powerful features available on WordPress.com to self-hosted WordPress sites, and thereby contributing greatly to the improvement of WordPress-powered blogs and websites. Who should install Jetpack? Anyone who's hosting their own WordPress-powered site and is looking for a single tool to help with their site design, traffic growth, and security. If you are rehosted by WordPress.com, you already have Jetpack and all of its features built into your site. WooCommerce is an open-source e-commerce plugin for WordPress. It is designed for small to large-sized online merchants using WordPress. Launched on September 27, 2011, the plugin quickly became popular for its simplicity to install and customize and free base product. WP Job Manager, a lightweight, open-source job board plugin for WordPress. CrowdSignal, the CrowdSignal polls and ratings plugin allows you to create and manage polls and ratings from within your WordPress dashboard. You can create polls, choose from 20 different styles for your polls, and view all results for your polls as they come in. You can even embed the polls you create on other websites. Click on the links given below this video to go to WordPress website. Create your own website today itself. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly share it with your friends and subscribe this YouTube channel.